cut the yolk first. Okay.
Hi everyone, welcome back to StoryBites. I'm Jason from Gangnam Korean Restaurant, and today we're gonna cook kimchi fried rice. I'm gonna talk about the ingredients you'll be needing today. Fried kimchi, butter, Korean chili paste, gochujang, and sugar, chopped onions, and ham. You can use Spam, but Spam is too strong, so plain ham is okay. And seaweed, some mozzarella cheese. We're gonna try with some mozzarella, and yeah. Oh, we need rice, eh? All right, we need rice. First, if you don't have fried kimchi, just cut some kimchi and fry with some oil, and you get nice fried kimchi. If you chuck everything in, it might be, it wouldn't fry fully. So yeah, you want that fully fried kimchi, to give out this good flavor for kimchi fried rice. We're gonna fry this maybe low heat. We're gonna put some butter and let it melt. And a little bit of canola oil as well. Kimchi fried rice is not a spicy dish. It's very smooth dish. So yeah, you don't want it too spicy. So once it's melt, let's chuck some onion, ham. Like what I said, if you're a vegetarian, you don't have to put ham. It still tastes good, but yeah, with ham, tastes better. Why meat and kimchi goes well? Because I don't know, personally, meat, it could be oily, like lots of protein, but kimchi is sour and it's got strong spiciness, and I think that's why it goes well. So yeah, once it's ready, let's put some kimchi. If it's too high, just low the flame. Put some chili paste, 1 spoon. So 1 spoon is enough. There you go. And sugar, 1 spoon as well. There you go. And stir. And now, when it's all well mixed, you can add rice. Chuck that in. And you just want to flap the rice so all the flavor goes into the rice. Who taught me how to make fried rice? I think internet made me. Yeah, nowadays it's so easy to cook. You can watch YouTube, or you can search on Google, and it's all in there. So yeah, don't think cooking is difficult. It's your way, Put some seaweed. There you go. Funny story is I didn't like kimchi until mid-20s. I don't have to eat kimchi like before, because I don't know, like when my mother made kimchi back in the days, I only eat that day, but I didn't like the sourness afterwards. So yeah, and after I get old, I think my taste got changed. Now I need kimchi in my meal, you know. It's funny, very funny. Yeah, so yeah, grab a bowl and let's chuck in here. Let's make with cheese and egg. So got this ready. Fried egg. Can you bring me sesame oil and egg? Oh, thank you. And some sesame oil. Break the egg when it's not hot. So, there you go. And don't use high heat. It's gonna ruin the shape. So low heat is good enough. While waiting for the egg, we got this hot stone pan that we're gonna use. So we put this and let's put some oil so it doesn't stick. Oh, thank you, Brian. Yeah, while waiting, just grab the fried rice and put on the top there. And because it's not hot, we can put some mozzarella cheese on the side. So will be a mess. Why use mozzarella cheese? Because mozzarella cheese is always right, you know. You can use Kobe, but I don't recommend sliced cheese. And you can take off the bowl. It's always well shaped. I think his egg is ready. We're gonna put on the side and grab the pan. Low heat as well. So we're gonna melt the cheese at the bottom. All right, so cheese is melting. You wanna grab the torch and start to melt the cheese on the top part. Don't stay there because it will burn everything. So always moving around. All right, it's ready. And now the egg, let's put on the top here. There you go. The pan, move it here. Alright, so our kimchi fried rice. Again. Alright. Our kimchi fried rice is ready and we have special guest.
Hey, my name is Brian. I'm actually his older brother, working in Gangnam as well. Yeah, I'll try his kimchi fried rice tonight. Yeah, I'm gonna really be honest with this food. Yeah, I don't care if he's a brother or not. Yeah, I'm gonna be really strict.
One thing I want to tell you is when you eat kimchi fried rice, egg yolk gotta be rare. If you fully cook the egg yolk, you ruin your kimchi fried rice. Even you eat outside, doesn't matter. gotta be rare, alright? It gives out the rich flavor and smooth flavor, goes well. If it's fully cooked, done, nam.
I like fully cooked egg though.
No, no, not with kimchi fried rice. You can eat other stuff, yeah, but not with the kimchi fried rice. It gotta be rare.
Okay.
Alright, let's try.
Cut the yolk first. Okay.
That's really good. It gives you kimchi really crunch still. Wait, look at that. Cheese. It's still really good. But honestly, I don't like with cheese because I don't like cheese.
Yeah, he doesn't like cheese. If you like cheese, put cheese.
Did you put ham in?
Yeah,
I'm a vegetarian.
too late. Yeah, you wanna see this. That's why we use mozzarella.
But honestly, like I like more pork.
Yeah.
So if you don't like ham, if you can just put pork.
You say you're vegetarian?
Yeah.
Cheese. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our StoryBites channel and follow on our Instagram, StoryBites and Gangnam Christchurch, and we have TikTok as
Stop
well.
pointing at them, please. Very rude.
TikTok as well.
Oh.
Gangnam CHCH. It's new, and you will see some fun videos with Brian and I. Thank you.
Thank
and
you.
See you next time.
We'll be back.